Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily download Teamviewer in your PC or Mac. First of all, open up your Chrome browser. Here we will search for Teamviewer. We download. Then we will search for it. Then you have to click on the second search option. From here we have to click on download now for free. Here you can see our download process has started. It will take a few seconds to download. After that, you will click on this Teamviewer setup. And then we will keep it default installation and click on accept and next. Then we will click on yes. We will click on accept, I accept. Then we will click on continue. Here you can see our Teamviewer has successfully been downloaded in our PC. Then we have to sign in to use the Teamviewer application. Thanks for watching the video.